I'm Jessica with the Buena Vista Museum, and today I have my helper Michael with me.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making
elephant toothpaste.
We're going to start off with telling you some of the ingredients that we will be using today. You can use a 2-liter bottle. We're using cylinders. If you don't have any cylinders, like I said, you can use a 2-liter bottle. And we're going to be using regular over-the-counter 3% hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to use salon-style hydrogen peroxide. This is volume 30, so it's actually 9% hydrogen peroxide. Regular dish soap, Dawn works the best, of course. Some food dye, food coloring, and you can get this at the supermarket. This is active yeast. Next thing we're going to do is we poured our yeast in a cup, and we have a package of yeast, which is 2 teaspoons and 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to activate it right now. And to activate our yeast, we're going to use warm water. We're using 4 tablespoons of warm water. We're just going to pour it in, and we're going to stir it. And we're going to let that sit for just a few minutes. We're going to make sure that it's all nice and combined together, that there's no lumps. When it starts to activate, you should see it start foaming.
Is this good?
Do you have any lumps?
No.
All right, you should be good. I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. And of course, we are going to put our safety glasses on for safety. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now that we have our yeast activating, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pour our hydrogen peroxide into our container. This is going to be 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, which will also turn out to be 120 milliliters. Now remember, he has 3% hydrogen peroxide, and I'm using 9% hydrogen peroxide. The next step is we're going to pour in a little bit of dish soap. We are using 1/4 cup of dish soap, which is also 59 milliliters, and we're just going to pour that right in to our hydrogen peroxide. Now, we want to add some color. When this thing goes off, we want it to be nice and colorful. So we're going to use our food coloring. What color are you going to use, Michael?
Green.
You're going to use green? I think I'm going to use blue. Kind of like that minty look for the elephants. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Awesome. So we're just going to pour in a couple of drops of whatever color you would like. Oh man, that looks awesome. Now we're just going to pick up our container, and we're just going to mix it just a little bit. We're going to swirl it around, trying to mix everything. Looks like it's nice and mixed up. We're going to give our yeast just a little bit longer. As you can see here, that the yeast is starting to activate, but it needs to be a little bit more. You can see how it's foaming just a little bit. So it usually needs about 5 minutes to activate. Now that our yeast is nice and activated, we're going to pour it into our cylinder and see what happens. Oh my gosh, look at that! Now, if you can look really closely, you could actually see the steam coming off. You have a little bit of steam coming off of yours too. If you just put your hand right over the top, you can kind of feel a little bit of heat radiating from the experiment. This experiment shows a very impressive and fast chemical reaction. Hydrogen peroxide is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen, H2O2. In this experiment, yeast is the catalyst that helps release oxygen molecules from the hydrogen peroxide solution. A catalyst is a material that increases the rate of a reaction without itself being consumed. The release of oxygen molecules in this experiment happens fast. So watch closely. The foam created in this chemical reaction is made up of very tiny oxygen bubbles. These bubbles result when hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, is broken down by the yeast in water, H2O, and oxygen, O2. During the reaction, fill the bottle. It will feel warm to the touch because it's an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that releases energy through light or heat. In this case, heat. Thanks for joining us today.
Please like and subscribe.